Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Nivisha. I don't know आपको मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है, but guess what? मैं अभी हूँ मुंबई एयरपोर्ट पे. Yes. So, why am I here? क्या कर रही हूँ मैं कोविड के इस टाइम पे एयरपोर्ट पे, ये सब आपको पता चलेगा. ये सब जानने के लिए प्लीज़ कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग दिस व्लॉग. सो मैं अभी मुंबई एयरपोर्ट पे इसलिए हूँ बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू उदयपुर. येस, एंड दैट टू आई हैव अ स्पेशल रीज़न फॉर दैट, एंड दैट इज़ बिकॉज माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स रियली वॉन्टेड टू विजिट मी बट दे कांट बिकॉज ऑफ द रेस्ट्रिक्शंस. अरे यार लाइट को क्या है, सॉरी फॉर द लाइट, but because of the restrictions due to COVID, and that is why I have planned to give them a surprise. And yes, now I am at the Mumbai airport and it's 2:30 right now. I am going to board my flight by 3:30, and so I'm really very excited to meet them, and I don't know how they're going to react because मैंने उन्हें बोला था कि I'm at my nanny's place. तो because हाँ, the thing is I had been to my nanny's place for a while now, and I had not met my grandparents like dada dadi like for a year, and now they really wanted to meet me like anything, and that is why I've planned this surprise for them. I just hope they like it. Of course they're going to like it, and I'm going to try to capture their reaction as well, but I don't know. Let's see if they'll find this good or not. I'm so tired, I have to walk so much यार. कितना चलाते हैं यहाँ पे मतलब हाँ, एक तो आई एम स्लीप डिप्राइव्ड क्योंकि आई एम बीन ट्रैवलिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग लाइक 4 o'clock से. आई हैड सम वर्क इन नवी मुंबई, सो आई हैड बीन देयर. फिर नवी मुंबई से आई केम बैक टू मुंबई, फिर वापस से आई एम गोइंग टू उदयपुर नाउ. लेट्स सी यार, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. सी यू इन द फ्लाइट. बाय बाय. If you can listen to me, but yes, I have boarded my plane and I'm super excited. It isn't safe, so if it is not really necessary, you should not travel. I suggest that. But since it has been a year that I have met my grandparents and they aren't in a state to come here and meet me, and they are really missing me a lot, so it was actually necessary for me to go and meet them and check up on them, since everybody, like all rest of my family, is there with them. They went ahead, but they went back a week ago, but I'm going now because I had my exams to finish up. So yeah, I just hope everything goes fine. So now I finally reached Udaipur. I know you cannot see me, but yeah, we are here finally. Super excited. See you. So finally I am out of the airport, and my car, I have booked a cab, so my cab is coming to pick me up ASAP, and I'm very happy about it. Woohoo! So now I have finally reached at my grandparents' place. मैं घर से थोड़े पहले उतर गई हूँ, so that they don't get to know कि मैं आ रही हूँ. And now I've called my brother and asked him to take grandpa and grandma ऊपर, मतलब second floor पे जाएंगे वो, ताकि मैं घर में enter कर सकूँ. I just hope this surprise works. I'm so tired. Look at my face, and the lighting is really bad. Forgive me. Let's go. I'm super excited. So my dad just called me and he said that he is asking grandpa grandma to go upstairs, and I guess I'll be going within a minute or two right now. As soon as he gives me a signal to come, I'll go. Super excited. सरप्राइज! मैं हूँ सरप्राइज! मैं हूँ दूर से Hey guys, welcome back. You might have seen yesterday that the surprise went really well, and I am really obliged that this was done. So it's the next day today in the morning, and as per the norms of the Rajasthan government, they have asked us to do a compulsory COVID check, and we all are super fine without any symptoms. But since it's mandatory to follow the rules, what the fuck is happening with the light? Since it's mandatory to follow the rules, we are here to check. There are a lot of people behind me. So there's this line, and yes, we are in the line too. Hope for the best. Let's do it. The results have arrived and it is negative. I just wanted to share how this test was done. So what they did was they had this take long capillary kind of a thing with a earbud cotton top something, and they just put it inside through my nose, and they took a swab of my nose का thing अंदर का जो भी है. So they took a swab of it and they put it inside this red color ka fluid. I think that's some antiseptic fluid, or I have no clues. And then it went for the testing. It was a bit irritating, but it wasn't painful. So there's no need to get worried about it or get scared from the test. If at all you think there's any symptom, go and have your COVID test done right away. Your safety and your precautions are going to be best for you and others as well. Thank you for watching this video. Love. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Stay safe, stay home.